Hello everyone and welcome back to Cattaleya English. Today we are going to blast through some common barriers. I'm going to reveal 10 common grammar mistakes that English learners make, explain why they are wrong and give you the right way to say it. Get ready to ditch these mistakes and level up your English now. Let's jump in. Mistake 1. Look versus see versus watch. Okay, let's start with some confusion around look, see and watch. I looked a movie last night. The correct way to say it is I watched a movie last night. We watch things that are moving like movies or sports. We look at things that are still or when we are searching for something. We see things that come into our vision naturally. Mistake 2. Embarrassing versus embarrassed. I felt so embarrassing when I fell. The proper way to say it is I felt so embarrassed when I fell. Embarrassing describes something that causes embarrassment. Embarrassed is how you feel. Mistake 3. Borrow versus lend. Let's talk about word choice. Can you borrow me your pen? You should say, can I borrow your pen? Or, can you lend me your pen? Borrow is taking something from someone. Lend is giving something to someone. Mistake 4. On versus at. Prepositions and articles are the bane of many English learners. I'm good on English. The correct way to say it is I'm good at English. We use at to describe skills. Mistake 5. To versus zero preposition. I went to home. You should say I went home. You don't need to before home when it's an adverb. Mistake 6. Zero preposition versus for. I'm waiting you. The proper reply is I'm waiting for you. Wait requires for when referring to a person. Mistake 7. On versus in. I'm interested on history. The correct answer is I'm interested in history. We use in to express interest in a topic. Mistake 8. A versus some. I have a good news for you. You should say, I have some good news for you. Good news is uncountable, so you do not need the article a. Mistake 9. A foot versus a leg. Idioms can be tricky. He's pulling my foot. The proper reply is he's pulling my leg. To pull someone's leg means to joke or tease them. Mistake 10. An arm versus an arm and a leg. It costs an arm. The correct answer is it costs an arm and a leg. If something is very expensive, it costs an arm and a leg. Wow, we've covered a lot. Remember to review these mistakes and practice. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. I hope this video helped you level up your English. Subscribe to Cattaleya English for more grammar tips. And let me know in the comments which mistake you used to make. Happy learning and see you soon!